Now we are going to discuss the third class of kingdom, fungi. Right? Class 3 is nothing but Basidiomycetes. The name of the class 3 is Basidiomycetes. The Basidiomycetes is commonly known as club fungi. Actually, they are called as club fungi, commonly called as. Right? And these are mushrooms in the environment, in the call we can generally call as a mushrooms, and they have another name called a bracket fungi and also puffballs and club fungi. Depends on structure, availability and morphological structures. Basidiomycetes having the common names mushrooms, bracket fungi, puffballs, club fungi. The characteristics of these things, we can see that they are growing on where they are living, that the habitat, growing on soil, growing on logs like wooden logs and tree stumps. Or usually we are seeing that in the rainy season, in the bottom of the trunks we are observing this kind of a growth, that's called tree stumps. And also these are parasitic organisms, the nutritional method. And mycelium is a branched and septate. Previous also we discussed one, right? Before the Basidiomycetes, the Ascomycetes we discussed. Ascomycetes also the same kind of structure like a branched and septate. The same character is transferred to the Basidiomycetes also. Mycelium is branched and septate. Later, vegetative reproduction, reproductive methods, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. We know that fragmentation means the entire plant body, the entire body of an organism is broken into pieces. Each piece is known as fragment. So the process or phenomena of producing the new ones from the parental organism by splitting into fragments is called fragmentation. Later, plasmogamy. Plasmogamy, we know that like a structure inside the cell, right? The plasma membrane we discussed previously in the lower classes, right? That inside the cell there is a fluid material, right? The fluid material is called plasma, and the contact between the two different organisms. Just we see that a point here. Plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two somatic cells. Fusion of two somatic cells. Somatic means vegetative cells. When two cells are contact with each other and the cytoplasm of the both cells are interchanged, we can call it as a plasmogamy. Plasmogamy, right? Okay. And later mycelium gives rise to basidia. Mycelium means the body structure is a thread-like structure. The thread-like structure of the mycelium which giving some external structures is called a basidia. Basidia, right? This kind of structures are called arising from the mycelium or called basidia, right? And basidium producing 4 basidiospores, each one producing 4 basidiospores, each one producing 4 basidiospores. Ladder, and these basidia are arranged in a fruiting body is called basidiocarp. Basidiocarp, the entire structure is called basidiocarp. And here these examples are given here regarding Basidiomycetes. One is agaricus, generally called as mushrooms, and Eustilago, causing the parasitic organisms, smut diseases in rice. And Puccinia, it is also an organism which causing the parasitic organism. Rust fungus, okay, causing disease in plants. And Polyporus. Polyporus is generally called as a bracket fungi. It's looking like a structure. Lycoperdon. Lycoperdon is also called puffballs. Puffballs, we have already said that already. It's commonly called as puffballs. So depends on the structures, they have a different names, and all these are considered as a Basidiomycetes, the third class of the kingdom, fungi.